welcome back. If your child is in the process of looking for colleges right now, or will be, you know, cost plays a major role as a deciding factor, right?
Financial aid can help alleviate some of that burden. To receive various forms of financial assistance, the very first step is to fill out the free application for federal student aid, otherwise known as the FAFSA.
Yes.
And here to tell us more about the FAFSA completion workshop at Chaminade University, I'm so grateful that you guys are having this workshop, by the way, sister.
Yes.
It's Nancy Da Silva. She's our Assistant Vice President of Financial Aid at Chaminade University. Nancy, thank you so much for hanging out with us.
And thanks for having me. We're really excited about this workshop.
And no, for real, I cannot tell you how grateful I am that you folks have this, because this is a sticking point for a lot of families on whether or not they're going to send their kids to college, period.
Yeah,
you know?
absolutely.
Can you share with our viewers what the FAFSA is and its true importance?
Yeah, of course. So FAFSA is the single most important way that families can secure funding for their families, for their student. It's not just for federal aid, but you can secure federal financial aid, which is the government money, and being able to package your aid. There's $150 billion between grants.
Did you say billion?
Billion between
Wow.
grants, federal work study, and loans that our students are eligible for. Many organizations, colleges, universities, and state programs require a FAFSA on file for additional aid and scholarships internally. So it's not just the FAFSA aid itself. A lot of the FAFSA funding helps secure these outside forces as far as external scholarships, community scholarships.
Right.
It is renewable every year, so it's not one and done. Families have to do it every year. We have to prepare, make sure the whole family's involved. So it is quite an important topic for the entire family to have together.
And if I'm being honest, if you've ever filled it out before, you know it's not that easy. It brings up a lot of anxieties because you got to bring out tax forms. And I know the federal government was trying to make it a little bit easier, but you guys are also going to be helping as well through this workshop. Tell us about this completion workshop that you guys are putting on.
Yeah, I'm really excited about the workshop. So we're hosting it tomorrow, January 8th at 5:30 p.m. So the U.S. Department did try to make the FAFSA easier. Last year, we found that a lot of our local families still needed a lot of assistance.
Yeah.
So we want to provide that for Hawaii families. Everyone is deserving of a FAFSA completion. So we want to open it to the whole community. All locals are welcome, regardless of the school that they want to attend. So we'll be hosting that on campus tomorrow at the Ching Center, our Lou Center, and parking's going to be free. So we welcome the entire community. They will need an FSA ID to participate. So please do that tonight, but we'll have computers in case they are unable to do that as well. So we'll be there to help every step of the way.
You know, it's amazing, $150 billion on the table. You definitely want our Hawaii families to get some of that, right?
Yes.
And I know a lot of people, you know, we've heard other advisors say, even if you don't think you qualify, you should just fill it out anyway, right?
All students really should apply, even if they think, we hear that all the time, oh, I don't qualify. Most students qualify, a vast majority, for something. So please take advantage of it.
That's awesome. What other financial assistance programs does Chaminade offer up?
Yeah, so for our incoming students, we have Merit Aid. This can range from $6,000 all the way up to $19,000. It is GPA based, so we definitely want students to take advantage. And of course, we have our Hawaii Guarantee. So for all of our local students graduating in 2025, just so they're graduating from a local high school, they have their FAFSA completed, and they have their Chaminade application completed, are not attending a nursing program, they will be eligible for our match and UH Manoa's tuition rate that's publicized.
Wow, oh, that's awesome.
Yes.
Chaminade is hooking things up.
I like that price match, just like, you know, Best Buy, you get price match. I like that. That's so cool.
So much good stuff happening at Chaminade University, but more than anything, thank you again for putting on this wonderful workshop for families. It is coming up tomorrow evening, 5:30 p.m., yes?
Yes, thank you so much for having us today.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Nancy Da Silva, she's our Assistant Vice President of Financial Aid at Chaminade University. Thank you, sis.
Thank you.
Now, let's check in with another sister of ours, Danielle Tucker, because she's got a look at our Pauhana traffic. Danielle.